drag and drop, or copy. All work. In this example is a math example, but I can use either. First, I'm going to split screen it. I'm going to tap on that Recents button. From there, I'm going to tap on Split, and I'm going to split it with my whiteboard. So I want to take that math diagram, make it a little bigger. So I'm going to do a long hold on the math diagram and just drag my finger. Let up, and there's the diagram. Now I can resize it because it's a whiteboard icon. Let's just take a look at the first one. Great, let's have a kid come up and actually write on it and talk. They're going to notice first that it's a balanced equation, so therefore it's an equal sign. Then they're going to look at the right-hand side and they say, oh, there are 3 W's. So let's write 3W. Plus there's an extra 1 there. How about on the left side? There is 7 ones. One way to use drag and drop. Let me add a new page and we'll show you copy. On the right-hand side, I'm going to do a longer hold on the words. I can drag out as much as I want to copy. You'll notice the word copy pop up at the top. I just tap on copy. And then on the whiteboard side, I do a long hold. You'll see paste, and there it pastes in. If you need more help, reach out to your EdTech coach.